Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
Nothing is free. The inspiring story of Mercy, a mother who never gave up. Mercy was 25 years old. She was a mother of one child, a small boy named Daniel. Mercy did not go to school. When she was young, her family was very poor. There was no money for books, uniforms, or school fees. Life was not kind to Mercy, but Mercy was strong. Every morning, before the sun rose, Mercy woke up. She prepared her son for the day, kissed his forehead, and left home to work as a cleaner. She cleaned offices. She cleaned floors. She cleaned toilets. Her hands were tired. Her back hurt. But she worked because her child needed food. Sometimes at night, when Daniel was asleep, Mercy sat quietly and cried. She thought, "Is this my life forever? Will my son also suffer like me?" But Mercy remembered something her mother once said. "Nothing is free. If you want a better life, you must fight for it." One day, while cleaning an office building, Mercy saw a small poster on the wall. It said, "Evening sewing classes. Learn a skill, change your life." Mercy stared at the poster for a long time. She had no money, she had no education, she had no confidence, but she had hope. That evening, after work, Mercy went to the sewing center. She was tired, she was afraid, but she walked in. At first, learning was very hard. She did not understand everything. Her hands made mistakes. People were faster than her. But Mercy did not quit. Every night she practiced. She sewed old clothes. She fixed broken dresses. She learned one small thing every day. Months passed. Slowly, Mercy became better. Her designs became beautiful. People started to notice. One neighbor asked, "Mercy, can you sew a dress for me?" Then another asked. Then another. Mercy saved a little money. Not much, but enough. She bought better fabric. She created her own designs. One day she made a decision. She started her own small brand. It was not big, it was not famous, but it was hers. Years later, Mercy no longer worked as a cleaner. She worked as a designer. Her clothes were worn by many women. Her brand grew slowly, step by step. When people asked her, "How did you do this?" Mercy smiled and said, "Nothing is free. I worked when I was tired. I learned when it was hard. I never gave up, because my child needed a better future." Mercy's story teaches us something powerful. You do not need a perfect beginning. You need courage. You need patience. And you must never give up. Remember, hard work changes lives.